Did you know that the color of your cat's fur might be more than just a matter of aesthetics? For centuries, humans have woven myths and beliefs around the colors of their feline companions, imagining that a black coat brings mystery, an orange one radiates warmth, or a tricolor cat is a sign of luck and independence. But is there any truth to these associations? Is it all just folklore? Or does science have something to say about the link between a cat's coat color and their personality? Today, we'll embark on a journey through the fascinating world of cat colors, blending scientific discoveries, genetic insights, and the heartfelt stories of cat lovers from around the world. By the end, you'll see your own furry friend in a new light, and perhaps discover something new about their unique personality. Imagine a black cat gliding through the shadows of your home, its emerald or golden eyes glowing with silent wisdom. For generations, black cats have been shrouded in superstition, sometimes regarded as omens of bad luck, sometimes revered as magical protectors. Yet those who have shared their lives with these majestic felines know that behind the mystique lies a heart of gold. Black cats are not a single breed. Their inky coats can be found across many breeds, from the elegant Bombay to the sturdy domestic shorthair. The secret to their color lies in melanin, the pigment that gives their fur its deep, dark hue. Interestingly, this color can shift slightly depending on factors like temperature or diet. Some black cats develop a reddish or rusty tinge when their diet is low in specific nutrients, revealing the complex biology beneath their mysterious exterior. Personality-wise, black cats are often described as independent and observant, like silent guardians watching the world unfold before them. Yet, beneath this reserved exterior, many owners report a loving and fiercely loyal nature. Their eyes, often a striking yellow or green, seem to peer into your soul, revealing a depth of feeling that only those closest to them truly know. Science has also uncovered a fascinating twist. Black cats possess certain genetic mutations that may make them more resistant to some diseases. This could explain their adaptability and, in some cases, their impressive longevity. Perhaps it's this genetic advantage that has allowed black cats to survive and thrive through centuries of both reverence and misunderstanding. Many viewers have shared touching stories about their black cats, describing them as sweet, patient, and deeply loyal companions. One cat lover recounted the 19-year bond with their black feline, emphasizing the kindness and love that define their relationship. Another described black cats as, quote, little panthers, majestic, elegant, and full of personality. It's clear that, for those who know them, black cats are anything but unlucky. They are blessings in a velvet coat. Picture an orange cat dashing through your living room, its fur glowing like a beam of sunlight. Orange cats, sometimes called gingers or red cats, are the extroverts of the feline world. They're known for their boundless energy, love of company, and a mischievous streak that keeps their humans on their toes. Most orange cats are male, a result of the genetics behind their coat color. The gene responsible for orange fur is located on the X chromosome, and since males have only one X, they're more likely to display this vibrant hue. Female orange cats are rarer, needing 2 copies of the gene to show the color. This genetic quirk might also play a role in their personalities. Studies suggest that orange cats tend to be more sociable and friendly, perhaps due to the combination of genetic factors and early life experiences. Owners often describe them as affectionate, playful, and eager to be the center of attention. But don't be fooled. Behind those loving purrs and cuddles, there's often a spark of mischief. Many viewers shared stories of their orange cats, recalling their sweetness, laid-back nature, and intelligence. One memorable tale described an orange tabby named Marmalade, who, after seemingly ignoring attempts to teach him tricks, surprised his family by performing on his own terms, demonstrating both intelligence and a flair for drama. Another cat, Bonkers, lived to the impressive age of 21, becoming a cherished part of the family's journey through life. Orange cats are more than just a pretty face. They are companions who bring warmth, laughter, and a little bit of chaos into our lives. Whether male or female, their sunny disposition is a reminder that sometimes the brightest personalities come in the most vibrant packages. If you've ever met a tricolor cat, a calico or tortoiseshell, you know that these felines are anything but ordinary. With coats splashed in white, black, and orange, they are walking works of art. But it's not just their appearance that sets them apart. Their personalities are as bold and varied as their fur. Tricolor cats are almost always female, thanks to the complex genetics of coat color. The genes for orange and black are found on the X chromosome, so it takes two X's, and thus a female, to display both colors. Male tricolor cats are exceedingly rare, about 1 in 3,000, and most are sterile due to genetic anomalies. Calicos and torties are known for their strong personalities. They are intelligent, independent, and sometimes a bit bossy. Owners often describe them as affectionate and loyal, but always on their own terms. They set their own rules and expect you to follow them. This confidence and independence may be linked to their unique genetic makeup, which involves a phenomenon called X chromosome inactivation. In each cell, one X chromosome is randomly turned off, creating the beautiful mosaic of colors in their fur. Many cat lovers have shared stories of their calicos and torties, describing them as loving yet fiercely independent, clever, and sometimes challenging. One owner recounted how their calico insisted on being both an indoor and outdoor cat, always finding ways to slip outside but faithfully waiting on the porch each evening for attention. Another described their dilute calico's strong personality, even at the age of 19, and her unique habits like demanding to be vacuumed as a, quote, spa treatment. These cats are a whirlwind of color and emotion, unpredictable, enchanting, and utterly unforgettable. There's something ethereal about a white cat. Their snow-like fur and often striking eyes evoke images of purity and serenity. White cats are sometimes shy at first, as if carefully evaluating the world before letting down their guard. But once they trust you, their loyalty is unwavering. The genetics behind white cats are as intriguing as their appearance. The W gene, responsible for their white coat, is also linked to a higher risk of deafness, especially in cats with blue eyes. This happens because the pigment cells that would normally migrate to the eyes and ears during development don't fully reach their destination, sometimes resulting in hearing loss or heterochromia, eyes of different colors. Despite these challenges, white cats have developed remarkable ways to communicate. They rely on visual cues, vibrations, and heightened sensitivity to movement, making them highly perceptive companions. Owners often describe white cats as elegant, calm, and deeply bonded to their humans. One viewer shared the story of two pure white cats, one male, one female. The male, with striking bicolored eyes, is talkative and demanding, following his owner everywhere and communicating his needs with clarity. Despite some health challenges, his intelligence and loyalty shine through. The female, in contrast, is healthy and a steadfast companion to her brother. With their perfectly balanced black and white coats, tuxedo cats look like they're always dressed for a fancy event. But don't let their formal appearance fool you. These cats are often the comedians and charmers of the feline world. Tuxedo cats owe their distinctive pattern to a gene that controls the distribution of pigment during development. The result is a striking blend of black and white patches, each pattern as unique as a fingerprint. Owners frequently describe tuxedo cats as sociable, playful, and outgoing. They love being the center of attention, entertaining their humans with antics and affection. Some researchers have even dubbed them feline diplomats for their ability to get along with both people and other animals, smoothing over tensions and forging strong social bonds. Viewers have shared stories of tuxedo cats who were exceptionally loyal, following their owners everywhere, even sleeping beside them during difficult times. Their charismatic personalities and sense of humor make them unforgettable companions. Tabby cats, with their distinctive stripes, swirls, and spots, are the quintessential feline. They carry the spirit of the wild in their genes, a legacy of the first domesticated cats. The agouti gene is responsible for their characteristic patterns, which often include the famous M marking on their foreheads, a feature that has inspired countless legends. Tabbies are renowned for their curiosity and adventurous spirit. They are natural explorers, always seeking out new nooks and crannies to investigate. Owners often describe them as intelligent, affectionate, and protective traits likely inherited from their wild ancestors. Many viewers have shared stories of their tabby cat's intelligence and bravery. One described a tabby who was always investigating visitors' purses, earning the name Snoopy. Another recounted the long, affectionate life of a tabby who lived to 21, always curious and loving. Tabby cats are the detectives of the feline world, ever watchful, ever inquisitive, and always ready for the next adventure. Gray cats, sometimes called blue cats, exude a natural calmness. Breeds like the British Shorthair are famous for their plush, velvety coats and serene demeanor. The gray color results from a dilution of the original pigment, controlled by a specific gene that softens the fur's tone. These cats are often described as affectionate, loyal, and tranquil. They form deep bonds with their families, preferring quiet companionship to noisy displays. Studies suggest that the same genetic mutation responsible for their color may also influence their temperament, making them less anxious and more adaptable to different environments. Owners have shared stories of gray cats who brought peace and comfort, even in difficult times. One recounted the memory of a beloved Russian blue who, despite physical challenges, was a source of joy and companionship for many years. Gray cats are symbols of serenity and balance, their soft fur and gentle presence offering comfort to all who know them. Few cats are as instantly recognizable as the Siamese, with their cream-colored bodies, dark points, and striking blue eyes. These cats are as famous for their personalities as for their looks. They are talkative, affectionate, and love to be involved in every aspect of their humans' lives. The unique color pattern of Siamese and other Colorpoint cats is the result of the Himalayan gene, which is sensitive to temperature. The cooler parts of their body, ears, paws, tail, and muzzle develop darker pigmentation, while the warmer core remains lighter. Their blue eyes are a result of a lack of pigment in the iris, causing light to reflect and create their signature crystal blue gaze. Siamese cats are known for their vocalizations, often talking to their owners with a range of expressive meows. They are deeply loyal, forming strong bonds with their families and often following their favorite person from room to room. Many viewers have fond memories of Siamese cats, describing them as loyal, intelligent, and even great hunters. Their distinctive voices and need for attention make them unforgettable companions. While it's tempting to draw direct lines between a cat's coat color and its personality, the truth is more nuanced. Genetics certainly plays a role, but so do early experiences, environment, and the unique bond each cat forms with their human family. What's clear from both science and the countless stories shared by cat lovers is that every cat is an individual shaped by nature, nurture, and the mysterious alchemy of feline spirit. Cats of all colors have been described as blessings, confidants, and even emotional lifelines. One viewer shared how their 3 fur angels helped them through the loss of a spouse, providing comfort and companionship in the darkest times. Others spoke of cats who lived into their 20s, becoming witnesses to the changing seasons of family life. Whether your cat is black, orange, tricolor, white, tuxedo, tabby, gray, or Siamese, their color is just one facet of the rich tapestry that makes them who they are. What matters most is the love, understanding, and connection you share, a bond that transcends fur and genetics. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What color is your cat, and how would you describe their personality? Do you see the traits we've discussed reflected in your feline friend? Share your experiences in the comments. Let's celebrate the diversity and wonder of our furry companions together. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the secret language of cat colors, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with fellow cat lovers. Together, we can help more people understand, appreciate, and cherish these remarkable animals. See you in the next video, cat lovers.